chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnston. We have Jimmy here with us this morning, and Jimmy comes in for a tune-up every once in a while because he's got some neck and back and leg and hip and sacroiliac joint problems. So we're going to line him up today and show you how. And he's also going to tell you how he feels about the Texas Medical Association trying to deny his right to come in to see us without having a medical referral. You can tell him right now if you want to.
I think it's bullshit.
You're a free man, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
And we live in the United States of America, right?
Texas for sure.
And Texas, that's right. Let's have you close your eyes and flex your head forward. I don't want to get your blood pressure up too much before we do this adjustment. Mine's been up for the last couple of days.
I can imagine.
Yeah, but hey, by the way, I want to thank you guys for donating on those links that we left, because the TCA contacted me today and said there's been a huge uptick in donations, and we want to thank you for doing anything you can give. We really appreciate it, and the links are in the description boxes on those videos we posted yesterday. Let's lay you down here, Jimmy. We'll give him a ring dinger of the day for all the crack addicts out there. Slide down this way just a bit, a little bit more. There you go, perfect. There. Now, Jimmy was referred in here by another patient of ours who's a very, very large man that works for Jimmy. And he was in here yesterday. There we go. Good. Okay.
This morning.
Most of our patients are referrals. Okay, nice deep breath through your nose. There you go. Oh yeah, home run. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
I did.
Good man. And he's still kicking. Don't stay up there. I gotta show him you're still kicking. There we go. Okay, tilt left just a bit. Perfect. Now right. Nope, got one more. Tilt your head right with your right big toe. There it is. Okay. Sometimes I gotta trick you into relaxing.
Yeah.
See, now Jimmy's smart. He listens to me. Put his wallet in his front pocket. He's not wearing his back pocket anymore. So it's the patients who listen to our recommendations on their lifestyle changes that make the best results. Doing their home exercises, sleeping correctly, sitting correctly. His right leg's short by about 1/4 of an inch today, and it gets even. I bet you that tightens up a little bit in your little back.
Yes, it does.
So we're going to adjust his right SI joint first. Left SI joint. And then the sacrum right down the center. Yes, sir. Boy, you needed this today. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Crack addicts are gonna love you. There we go. Good.
Yeah.
Legs are exactly even now, Jimmy. Tell me if this feels any easier to you this time.
It does.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Excellent. Let's turn you on your back now. Excellent. Pull your head up and back now. Just like that. A little cool here in Houston today, huh?
Yes, sir.
Let's slide down this way just a little bit.
Down?
We're supposed to get down to 30s tonight, they said. Yeah, you're good right there. Put your arms out to the side. There we go. Adjust your shoulders, your clavicles. There we go. Good. Now Let me pull your leg. Can't get out here without me pulling your leg. Let this go. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Just felt that your knee all the way up to your low back.
Did.
Same thing here. Yes, sir.
Got
Good
it.
job. Okay. Now let's sit you up face towards Joseph. There we go. All right. That's it. Boy, got your elbow and your shoulder on that
got
one.
it both, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Got them both.
Yes, sir.
Did good, Doc.
You're being awful cooperative today. Good. You noisy everywhere, aren't you?
I'm telling you. I needed it.
There it is.
Oh.
Boy, look at that.
You got it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was time.
And we didn't put you on any big long treatment program. We
No.
just let you come in when you
Whenever
want to,
I
right?
want to, yes. Correct.
So what would you tell our YouTube subscribers and fans about your experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
It's the best experience I've ever had.
Well,
and
thank
I've been to several chiropractors too in my lifetime, but I get relief here.
Thank you very much.
It's true.
That's why we called it Advanced Chiropractic
It's
Relief.
very good.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas with Jimmy and Joseph and Renee. We'll see y'all soon.